Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing ways to make labor and delivery easier for you. So if you missed my labor and delivery story, you're going to see it somewhere up here. So today I'm going to share basically how I made my labor and delivery story, how I make my labor and delivery easier. So I've had 3 kids now, and with all the 3 of them I've always had a positive unmedicated birth with the 3 of them. And so I feel like there are things that I have done to make that process a lot easier for me. So, and also with research, and I've seen other people do the same things and it works for them and it has worked for me. So I'm sharing my little tips. But as with every other thing, before you try any other thing, you should always talk with your medical provider and see if they give you a go ahead to do any of this, because I spoke with mine before trying any of these methods out. So the number one thing I'll be sharing today is be active. Be active, guys. Whenever you're pregnant, I'm not saying start running marathons once you hear you're pregnant if you were not active before. So if you were not active before pregnancy, when you're pregnant, kind of pace yourself, do little things like take short walks. It's not just good for you, it's also good for the baby as well. So take short walks, sit on the birthing ball, because sitting on the birthing ball kind of aligns your pelvis. It helps you with pushing during childbirth. Sitting on the birthing ball helps to position your hip in a good place. It helps to position your hips properly, so to prepare you for childbirth as well. Taking walks helps to increase blood flow and circulation, and it helps to reduce pain during labor and delivery as well. So that's why they always tell you, take walks. And for me, it's take walks, do squats, and sit on the birthing ball. If you can also try the butterfly pose to kind of open up your hips. Anything that opens up your hips is phenomenal for you. It will help you with birth and delivery. And the number 2 is the foods that you eat. I know I'm not going to sit down here and act like I eat healthy all the time, but I try to eat healthy. And so it's almost like when you're going for a marathon, you don't just wake up one day and just say I want to run a marathon. You prepare your body for this, right? So it's also good to start trying to eat healthy. If you don't eat McDonald's every day, every single day, every day. But I know that, I eat healthy. I try to eat healthy. But I know that there's some days you just crave this burger. So, but I'm just saying try to eat healthy foods. Try and incorporate healthy things in your diet. Eat lots of greens, vegetables, fruits. Take your vitamins seriously. Yeah, I said so. Take your vitamins seriously because you need those. It's gonna help with because whatever you're taking in, you're also you're not gonna the truth is you're not going to feed your child junk food, right? We don't feel good feeding our children junk food, especially at that age. And so you don't want to start giving your child a lot of junk. So help yourself, help your body to help you, if I'm making sense. Number 3 is red raspberry leaf tea. Guys, that tea is a game changer. I'm telling you, that tea is a game changer. Before you take it, talk to your doctor, please. Tea, what it does, it prepares your cervix. It makes it very elastic. It prepares your cervix. It makes it very elastic, so you won't get a tear. I've had 3 of my kids, 2 of my kids without tear. My first son, I had a 1-degree tear. It wasn't anything serious. My second daughter, she was big. She was 8 pounds 15 ounces, no tear. My baby, she was 8 pounds 11 ounces, no tear. No tear, literally no tear. So that tea makes the cervix very elastic. Guys, if there's something you need to start taking, it's the red raspberry leaf tea. I start taking it at like week 37 or week 36. But you know what? When I'm in labor, I drink that thing up, man. Like, I'll just be brewing a lot of tea and be taking it. If you can, take red raspberry leaf tea. It's very good for you. And of course, like when I'm saying take red raspberry leaf tea, I'm also saying you also have to hydrate yourself. Like drink lots and lots of water. Water is very good for you. It makes everything go well, go smooth. So drink lots of water. Water and red raspberry leaf tea are good for you. I'm going to talk about breathing techniques now when you're in labor. Breathing techniques when you're in labor, right? So you know there's something called FTP, fear, tension, pain. And so when we are in pain, the adrenaline comes in. We kind of like tense up our bodies, and that makes us feel a lot of pain. So with breathing and with other methods that you're going to try, it's basically ways to calm you down, to kind of bring in some oxytocin into your system. So that's why, you know, you do that deep breathing and you're like, so breathing techniques are good. So it helps with labor. And there's also this thing about gravity, right? So usually typically when you go into the hospital and you're already in labor, basically you're like in active labor, sometimes they make you lie down, right? You know, because they have to monitor everything, monitor heartbeat, monitor heart rates, monitor fetal heart rates, monitor your contractions and everything. Some have to give you IV and all that. You might even be getting a epidural. It depends, like. But guys, strive to walk around. If you walk around, you're standing up. It's gravity. So you're standing up, you're making the child go down the birth canal easier. So for me, the best positions I like to be in during labor is kneeling, because I usually have back labor. So that means the baby's head is pressed against my spine. So I prefer to kneel, or to be on my fours, or to kind of like do like gentle dances that kind of like glide the baby down the birth canal and start pushing the baby out. Like when you lie down, you're cutting off blood supply. You're gonna have longer labor if you're lying down. Please trust me. So these are the positions I like to be in. I like to be on my fours. I like to kneel. I like to stay on the birthing ball. Anything, you can even sit down and spread your legs open, like do positions that would, like this. Can you guys see me? Like that. Like any position that will kind of like spread your legs open. Butterfly poses, sitting up and opening up your legs. Those positions will put you in a better place and make your labor faster. So guys, these are all my tips that I've shared with you. If you have any more, you can share them in the comment section below. It could help some other person or help me as well. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you are interested in knowing about tummy time, see you in the next video. Bye.